This video is for any law student looking to bounce back from unsatisfactory grades in the immediate past semester. I want to help you build some favorable and meaningful momentum going into your next semester so that you can prepare and perform better on exams. My fall 2020 semester starts next week, so I am in a pre-planning phase to map out my best academic self for 16 weeks straight. I want to help you do the same. A tried and true strategy that I use is creating a semester system. What is a semester system? This is my definition. Performing a repeatable process to produce task productivity, efficiency, and progress throughout the semester. Essentially, creating effective and disciplined routines. Think about any job that you worked at where you have a set of repetitive tasks day by day, week by week, and it rarely changes, but you build routines essentially to get those tasks done at a particular time, meeting deadlines. And that's just like a law school semester. It's nothing but repetitive tasks throughout the semester in certain areas where we had to do well. So these are the repetitive tasks that we have to be well in that happen daily and weekly. Really nothing sexy about it, but these are the areas that we had to master. Class preparation, case readings, assignments done, etc. Going to class, organizing class notes, outlining, active review of class notes, memorizing, especially for closed book exams. If it's not open book, you have to be able to know it verbatim, if it's rules of law or a concept. So we had to build a system for that. Doing exam practice problems. And then lastly, sleep and exercise. And this is something that I'm gonna talk about towards the end, why I put that in there. The benefits of a semester system is it's personalized to your semester schedule. It's not a one size fits all. My system is different from yours because we have a different class schedule, work schedule, and other obligations. For me, I'm a part-time evening student where I work full-time during the day and I go to classes in the evenings. So when I get tasks done, it's going to be different from somebody that doesn't work and goes to school full-time. But it's tailored to you. Second, semester system regulates and governs academic behaviors and habits. You see, coming into law school, we have a lot of broken academic behaviors and habits from our past schooling and just doing tasks whenever at the last minute. You can't do that at law school. You get ate up alive, as you see, as you found out for yourself. So that's why we got to have a system that regulates it, and creating routines, we can study our patterns of behavior of what we're doing and not doing. And we need this regulation and this governing of our behaviors, because if we don't have nothing in place, then we're just all over the place. And we can't be all over the place in a law school semester. We have to be organized and we have to be systematic. 3, semester system is measurable and flexible. As I was saying, you can gauge the efficiency of your system because it is a routine. If it's not working, if it is working, and it's flexible because you can change it at any time whenever it's not working. So I'm going to go into my weekly system for fall 2020 semester. I didn't do one going to class because that's a given. So first is class preparation. My weekly system is completing all my class readings and assignments every Saturday and Sunday morning. No, I'm not waiting until the night before to case brief and get assignments done and stay up until wee hours of the night to get it done. I have a set time, which is my system, to get it done on the weekends. Being a part-time evening student, I don't have no time to case brief during the day. And if I do, I'm distracted. And just depending on the work day, I don't know if I can get it done. But I don't work on the weekends. So I can get it done Saturday and Sunday and be done with it. Versus I go to class and trying to study all night and read all night. It's not efficient and it's not productive. Something that, from my experience. So my Civ Pro I on Monday, 6 to 8:45 p.m. I prepare that Saturday morning. Entertainment law workshop, 6 to 7:40, prepare Sunday morning. Con law 1 on Thursday, 6 to 8:45. I prepare that on Sunday morning. This gives me ample time to do other things. But having this set time, this set system helps out tremendously. Next, organizing class notes. My weekly system is organizing my class notes immediately after class or the next morning. No, I'm not waiting until the end of the semester to organize/outline my class notes, because that's not actively learning. We want to be able to learn the material as we go, day by day, continuing to look at it and organizing it towards the end of the semester. It's a lot of information to cram into our brains. So by organizing it immediate after class or the next morning, we get that learning retention and we outline as we go. So we're not cramming all the way at the end. We're doing it day by day, week by week. We take away that procrastination. So for example, my Civ Pro class on Monday, I'm organizing it Tuesday morning because I want to get to bed no later than 9:15. So that's why I say do it Tuesday morning. And for my entertainment law workshop class, since it ends at 7:40, I have some room, 20 to 30 minutes or so before bedtime, to organize my notes immediately after class. And then for my con law class, organize it Friday morning because again, that's towards my bedtime and I do not want to go over my bedtime. And I'm going to talk about that shortly. 3, active review of class notes. My weekly system is an active review of my class notes at work in the mornings, Monday through Friday. So I will have time at work to review my notes. Sometimes I'm at my desk and I have 20 minutes here and there to look at my notes and creating flashcards if need be. But we want to get in the habit of constantly looking at our notes. And again, if it's a closed book exam, we can't rely on anything else but our memory. So this is why we need to actively review them every single day. Definitely Monday through Friday, but Saturday and Sunday I'm using for class prep. So I'm not going to do it Saturday and Sunday. Next is exam practice problems. My weekly system is to test my understanding deeply on one legal concept, rule of law, before moving on to the next one in class. No, I'm not waiting until the end of the semester to do a whole bunch of practice problems because again, that's procrastinating, and doing practice problems towards the end, that's a lot of information to cram, and that's not enough practice to practice our writing and to practice answering multiple choice problems. Now, The system is to test the understanding before you go from one concept to the next. For example, I've taken contracts 1 and 2 already, but this is the easiest example for me to use. Let's say, for example, week 1 or week 3, the professor gives a lecture on offer and acceptance. And then in week 4, the professor moves on to a next topic on consideration, because they're 2 different concepts. So the system is to complete offer and acceptance practice problems week 3 before moving on to week 4 to consideration onto something new, because concepts build on each other. So versus trying to test our understanding all the way towards the end of whether we know the concepts, we're actively doing it along the way. And I have a separate video that I'm gonna go more in detail with this. Finally, sleep. My weekly system is bedtime no later than 9:15 p.m. And guys, I used to be this person, sleep is for suckers. Oh, I'm just this night owl vampire, probably like you, where I just up all night grinding. But I had to say, is this really productive? Is this efficient? Especially if I had to get up in the morning and go to work. And especially as you look for exercise, if I want to make it to the gym at 6 a.m., I can't stay up till 2, 3 in the morning and expect to be at the gym at 6 a.m. So as long as I have 6 hours of sleep, I'm pretty good. But the system is to cut it off at a specific time so that I can get sufficient sleep, because, hey, sleep is important because we're high level performers and our bodies and minds have to rest. So I've been a hard-headed person for a long time when it comes to sleep, but it's very important. So I want to have this system in place, except for Friday and Saturdays. You know, sometimes I may go out or some things may happen here or there where I may not get to bed on time on those days, which is fine. But during the weekday, I want to make sure that I get in bed at 9:15. So that means that I had to be productive and efficient all throughout my day. All these distractions and messing with my phone, nah. So we got to go fast and we got to be focused. So, you know, BSing, can't even do it. Because if I don't get things done, then of course, I'm going to be staying up later than 9:15. Lastly, for exercise, as I just mentioned, is to be in the gym, 6 a.m., Monday through Friday, LA Fitness, and then doing my 1,000 plus push-ups at home on the weekends. Physical energy and mental energy go hand in hand. And it's something that we cannot neglect. We got to optimize our body to optimize our mental energy. And however you want to exercise, that's completely fine. I lift weights, get that juicy chest pump and whatnot. But we got to incorporate in there versus saying, oh, you know, law school's busy, I don't have time. You have an hour, but you just got to build it in, i.e. you have to create a system for it. You got to create a system to do it. So I don't have time throughout the day and I don't have time throughout the evening. So I'd rather get it done in the morning. So this is the only time. So I got to go to bed on time to make that happen. And there you have it. So my next video is going to involve in putting this system into a schedule, not just having it in my head, not just telling you, hey, this is what I'm gonna do, but actively putting it down. It can be written or electronic, but I have an electronic schedule. So stay tuned for the next video. Let's keep it going. Hey, you will bounce back stronger than ever in your semester.